Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to verify Facebook domain for your Shopify store. So let's get started. First of all, open Facebook business setting page. Open business Facebook business setting page. Now click on the menu bar. After clicking on the menu bar button, click on the business settings page. After clicking on the business settings button, a menu bar will appear on the left corner of the screen. Now click on the brand safety button. Click on the brand safety button. Now click on domains. After clicking on the domains button, now you have to click on the add button. Click on the add button. Go to Shopify admin page. After going on the Shopify admin page, copy the domain that is written on the top bar of the page. Now copy to add to domain bar. Copy the domain link to add it to the domain bar on the business setting page. Concluding, like you have to copy the domain link on the Shopify admin page of your store, and then you have to paste it on the business setting page. Add to domain bar button. Now go to the Shopify admin page. Click on the online store button. After clicking on the online store button, click on themes button. Now click on actions button. Now drop down menu will appear. After clicking on the actions button, the drop down menu appear, and now you would click on the edit code button. Here you have clicked on the edit code button. Now go to Facebook business page. Copy the tag. Copy the tag and paste under theme.liquid. Copy the tag from the Facebook business page and paste it on the edit code page of Shopify under the theme.liquid tab. And now you would click on the save button. Now go back to your Facebook business setting page and click on verify domain button. Now you have clicked on the verify domain button. Here your domain of Shopify on Facebook is verified. So that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.